Welcome to Sherpas, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing breaking wall, roof, window, or door as one of the aggravating circumstances. Breaking wall, roof, window, or door. It refers to the aggravating circumstance wherein the commission of the crime is preceded by breaking a wall, roof, floor, door, or window. Dito yung accused, bago niya magawa yung crime na balak niyang gawin, sinimulan niya ito sa pamamagitan ng pagsira sa pader, bubong, sahig, pinto o bintana. Bago ito consider ng court as an aggravating circumstance, dapat itong dalawang requisites ay mayroon. First, a wall, roof, window or door was broken. Dapat may nasirang pader, bubong, sahig, pinto o bintana. Second, they were broken to effect entrance. Dapat ang pagsira ay para makapasok ang akusado. Kung sisirain lang para lang sirain pero hindi papasukan, hindi ito ma-appreciate as aggravating circumstance. Hindi rin kailangan na nakapasok yung offender. Basta ang titignan dito ay ang intensyon niya ay para gamitin iyon as entrance, yung pagsira niya sa pader, bubong, sahig, pinto o bintana. Rule in case of a door. To be considered as an aggravating circumstance, breaking the door must be utilized as a means to the commission of the crime. In case of door po, dapat hindi po naka-open yung door. Nakalock po ito at sisirain para makapasok. Kung naka-open yung door at doon pumasok, hindi applicable itong aggravating circumstance na ito. Example, what if ang sinira lang ay yung padlock o yung taling pinangsara sa door para magnakaw? May aggravating circumstance ba na breaking door? Ang sagot ay wala. The accused did not break the door of the victims as a means to commit robbery with homicide. Breaking of the shutters and the framing of the door to ensure the elements of surprise does not aggravate the commission of the crime. Article 14, Paragraph 19 of the Revised Penal Code is specific. To be appreciated as an aggravating circumstance, breaking the door must be utilized as a means of the commission of the crime. So, dapat yung door mismo ang sinira para pasok ang aggravating circumstance na ito. Yung shutter na nabanggit dito ay yung parang roll-up. Diba sa mga businesses, may roll-up pa. Yung metal na sinasara pababa o binumbuksan pataas bago yung main door. Pag yun ang sinira, hindi pasok ang aggravating circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.